Norway 4 Bravo Alpha Alpha. Today I am testing my K0XG Ring rotor, one of three. Took me about an hour and a half to mount it on the tower, and about another minute to get the motor in place. It's only 2 bolts, which is amazing. And if this is a good place to see, look at this monster drive gear. It is bigger than my fist, which is awesome. And I've got it testing in slow motion, if you will, right now. It's turning about 1 revolution every 2 minutes. And got the green heron controller. The white box below it is the K0XG remote relay unit, if you will. That goes at the base of the tower, so I'm just simulating this. I'm actually simulating it at 5 feet off the ground before I try it. First order of business is to replace the 5-element 20 at 60 feet, and then we'll replace the 5-element 20 at 120 feet, and the third one will go up on the where the 15 meter is now. That's going to be swapped out. That's a 5-element on a 36-foot boom. Excuse me, 6-element on a 36-foot boom. I'm going to swap that out for a 7-element on a 48-foot boom. So I'm going to continue with the test here to drive it all the way back around to where it needs to go. Also testing out the rotor loop, if you will. We've got it up here temporarily, just kind of hanging out. We're going to do some experimentation with that so that I can do that at this level, so that when I get up to 60 feet, it's just a carbon copy of what I've done down here. I've documented it, creating my own manual, if you will. And then we'll see how this all turns out. This is a temporary, I don't know, it's like a 34-foot boom on it. I have an optical illusion with the ground that kind of drifting off the way it does. Really quiet. Gonna put a little more slack in that rotor loop, if you will. It's got plenty in there, you just gotta route it correctly. Again, this is a K0XG ring rotor by Richard K0XG, who I believe, I know he's not in business any longer, but I believe Matt KC1 X-Ray is taking that over. Here we are coming around to the south stop on the counterclockwise side. I've actually got it programmed where I can go farther than that. That's actually at 182. I think we can go farther. Let's go here to 270-ish. Once it gets into the stops at 180 and 180, it will stop on its own, obviously. But again, having a lot of fun testing the K0XG ring rotor. Hope you'd enjoy the video and look for more here real soon. Thanks. Norway 4 Bravo Alpha Alpha 73.